6x minus 7y equals negative 4. Negative 4x minus 7y equals 26. Now, this is an example where one of our variables does not automatically cancel out with the other. But that doesn't mean that there's nothing that we can do. Remember, an equation, I'm going to label these, is a proportion. It's an example of a proportional relationship. So with a proportion, you can multiply or divide as long as you do it throughout the entire equation. So in order to solve this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this entire top equation by negative 1. Now, I could do it with the bottom equation as well. That doesn't matter. The reason I'm going to multiply it by negative 1 is because I know a negative times a negative will make this 7y positive, and it will cause these two to cancel out. So I'm going to rewrite this. So we're going to have equation 1, negative 6x plus 7y equals positive 4. Remember, it has to multiply throughout the whole thing. And then we're going to have equation 2, negative 4x minus 7y equals 26. Well, we should notice now that my positive 7y and my negative 7y, they will cancel each other. Negative 6 plus negative 4, so negative 10x equals 4 plus 26 is 30. I'm going to divide by negative 10, I'm going to divide by negative 10, and I'm going to get x equals negative 3. Now I'm going to take that negative 3 and I'm going to plug it back in to any one of my equations. It doesn't matter, I can plug it back into my original equations and I can plug it back into these ones. Does not matter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my second equation. So I'm going to say negative 4 times negative 3 minus 7y equals 26. And now I'm going to negative 4 times negative 3, so 12 minus 7y equals 26. I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. Negative 7y equals positive 14. Divide by negative 7, and I'm going to get y equals negative 2. Now, I need to check that and make sure it's good. So because I used my second equation, I'm going to use my first to prove it. So we're going to say is 6 times negative 3 minus 7 times negative 2 equal to negative 4. So 6 times negative 3 is 18, or sorry, negative 18. Negative 7 times negative 2 is positive 14. And that does equal negative 4. So I know my equation is good, which means the solution to my system is going to occur at the points negative 3, negative 2.